Hi there everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step walkthrough of an alkylation of benzene using 2-bromopropane. My first tip for you all is make sure your halogens match. So that's the halogen on your haloalkane, the halogen in your halogen carrier catalyst, and the halogen in your hydrogen halide should all be the same one. Once you've done that, you're going to want to check that you've made your carbon-to-carbon bond at the right position. It needs to be between one of the carbons from the aromatic ring directly to the original carbon on the haloalkane, which was bonded to the halogen. For instance, here you can see that I formed my carbon-to-carbon bond between the top carbon on the aromatic ring and carbon number 2 from the 2-bromopropane. Now that I'm happy with the overall equation, I'm going to use the halogen carrier catalyst alongside the haloalkane to form my organic electrophile. The halogen carrier catalyst I've chosen here is aluminium bromide, but iron 3 bromide would be a good choice as well. Here's a closer look at the organic electrophile that I've formed in this stage. Next up, we're going to see this organic electrophile attack in a good example of the electrophilic substitution mechanism. And finally, we're going to use the AlBr4- that we made earlier and the H+ from the mechanism to regenerate the aluminium bromide catalyst. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. Please consider subscribing to stay updated. And until next time, happy revising.